Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and the market performed very well yesterday. We did smash Nasdaq, very nice. So the market was in our favor. But before we continue with that, before we go on the charts, let's see what do we really have on our economic calendar. You can see that Monday, Tuesday, we did not really have anything. Even today, we don't really have anything. So it's gonna be Wednesday tomorrow, then nothing also, or nothing important. So on Thursday, it's where we're gonna have CPI and also jobless claims. So that is going to move the market. Actually, we're waiting for that. And what I like is the market is today, since it's Tuesday, the market might still move very nice, but Wednesday, I don't think the market will be performing very well, especially when we expect high impact news like CPI. So don't be surprised when you see the market not moving very nice, and the market sometimes can hold you if you don't really understand stuff like this, right? So on Friday also we have core PPI or PPI obviously. So yeah, it's also very important, but we will see if maybe the market will go crazy, you see. So yeah, yesterday we did smash very nice, guys. But before that, we have a very nice limited special for everyone, guys. I think maybe this will be much maybe people, they will appreciate this. There's no way that you're not gonna appreciate this. You will see that it's yearly. The special is going to focus on yearly signals, VIP signals, by the way. You can see number 4, it's yearly, which means it's 12 months. So you can see it's 280. So I'm going to smash that for you and say, you know what, guys, you can take a break on that and you can pay $48. Remember, this is limited, guys. So whatever that I reach, the number that I want to reach, then it's gonna be fine. I will say, okay, guys, the special is done. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. $48 for 12 months, coming from $280. $48 coming from $280. Anyways, yes. So let's see what's really happening. Let's see what's really happening. Also, sorry, for those who wants to join that, you can see, you can scan this QR code or just WhatsApp me, and then you will tell me if you want that special, right? So on DXY, what's really happening on DXY? I like what I see because it's happening the way I've been trying to tell my people and say, you know what, don't worry much about that breakout. I think it was Friday. We had this smaller breakout there, but it was not really a crazy breakout. Guess what? The market is back. The market is back on its continuation of that downtrend. You can see on top there, we already identified these points, and the market is where it's pushing even lower. I'm even where we are now, I'm expecting to see the same thing going down again, or continue doing the same structure. So we are on a downtrend. I don't think maybe we're supposed to waste much time there, especially when the market already showed us that I'm respecting this area. So the market might consolidate, but one way or another, the market will be pushing lower. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Even EURUSD yesterday, it was pushing very nice. So we did actually have a trade, but it was not really nice like a Nasdaq. And I think I missed also US30, the time we take Nasdaq. But actually, we did not really miss anything because we got something from Nasdaq. But the market was performing very well. The market was performing very well, so that's why we saw the market doing that. So we are on USD ZAR. So the market is still on this uptrend. So we're waiting for the market to reach this support area before we think about buying. The market is still a little bit higher. But what I like is you can see on top of there, the market is trying to give us something like this. Obviously, we might see the market pushing even a little bit lower before we see another push to the upside. That's what we see now. So yeah, the structure is actually on a very nice uptrend, but where we are now, the market might push lower. But what I want is just understand that we are on an uptrend. Just because we're pointing out that resistance, it doesn't really mean that we're supposed to sell on a downtrend. So what we're doing here is we just have to wait for the market to reach our support area, then we can push to the upside. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Ah, man, what's really happening? Okay. So now we are on USD JPY. I think this is also very straightforward. I like what I see here, guys. Why? Because I did talk about this several times. Yes, the market is doing, it was going down very nice. This was a very nice uptrend, so downtrend. So the market just broke out, but for us, I like what I see here because we did not really fall for this type of a move. Why? Because we understand this type of structures. Sometimes the market can create something like that, break out, and it's a very nice breakout if you check that. But to find out that the market was about to respect this area, the market was about to respect this area, and if we check, the market even pushed a little bit higher. So let me try, maybe I think I see something. If maybe we push this little bit higher. Oh, okay. Yeah, it seems like the market did respect this area, but it's quite similar to that. But what I like is it's the same structure that it's quite similar structure that I was trying to actually explain even before that. If maybe the market doesn't really break this area, the best thing that we can do is to wait and see. If it breaks, obviously we are going to actually look for a buy. If it breaks out, we're going to look for a buy, but that did not really happen, which means now the market is about to do what? To push even lower. And once the market does that, it means we are continuing with that down trend. Do you see that? So it's not like once the market breaks here, it was totally an uptrend. If maybe you don't really understand, obviously I know there's people who took some losses there. Why? Because they did not really understand what was happening there. So yeah, not every breakout it means that the market will be continuing with the with that trend. The market might break out sort of it's not really a fake, it's just an adjustment. The market does that most of the time. So now we are on GBP USD. I like the structure. As I've been explaining, we are on a very nice uptrend. The support area is still very strong. I don't really see where the market is trying to get out with several candlesticks there. So which means we are on this nice uptrend. So where we are now, obviously we were a little bit higher. I did not really want to just give my students some risk there. I just waited and think maybe the market will actually go even lower, or maybe the market was going to break out. Because where we are, I think it was a little bit late. The market is like aggressively pushing up. So we did not really have any trade. But what we know is we are on a very nice uptrend. I'm just waiting for a proper reversal like these areas, or maybe this one here. Those type of reversal is what I want, so that I can actually do what? Buy. Or if not, it means that I need to break. We need to wait for the market to break that resistance before we look for another buy. Simple as that. And when we check the economic calendar, I did not really see any important economic news from GBP. So whatever that we saw there, it was from US, which is going to be CPI. So we are still bullish on your GBP USD. So yeah. So now what's really happening? What's really happening? We are on Euro USD. The market is still pushing up very nice. You can see this is a very nice uptrend. So the market did push up in our and get in our smaller profits, but the market was not really that stronger. I can see the market, it seems to be trying to consolidate a little bit. So let's see. Yeah, it's not like maybe the market is on a very negative or high crazy. it's still actually on a break even. So I will be updating my student what to do with this type of a position. But the bigger structure here is we are still on this uptrend and we can still push the upside. Where we are, maybe we can say we had this sort of resistance several times. The market used to find some resistance there, so the market might have some issues breaking out of that area. But what we know is at the end of the day, the market will end up pushing to the upside. So we are still on this nice bullish move, unless if maybe the market tries to break out, then we can say now it's time for us to look for that sell. But for now, let's focus on that bullish momentum and keep buying. So now we are on gold. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? I like what I see, even though the market did not really respect what we had yesterday. So what I see here, I can say, you can see we had this structure. So I thought maybe the market was going to respect this area. We had a buy pending order, then the market reversed aggressively and pushed a little bit up. So we did not really entertain that because our order was around this level. So the market did not really reach that. So what I see here is now we have a solid structure. You can see that yes, this structure, it's actually a very nice one. We have 3 touches, 1, 2, 3. Obviously every touch you can see after this touch the market used to push the upside. After this touch the market used to push the upside. Even where we are now, I'm expecting to see the same thing happening. So we might still see a continuation of a buy, unless if maybe the market breaks out. Unless if maybe the market breaks out, we can say something different. But for now, I'm expecting to see a continuation of that bullish move or bullish momentum. Simple as that. So yeah, we just have to wait and see where we can actually have that buy. So that's why we say you should be part of the team. So on US30, what's really happening? You can see that the market is still on that uptrend. On this one, guys, I did not really have I don't know why I missed this, because we took Nasdaq. I don't know. I just missed this, guys. I missed US30. But anyways, it's fine because we did smash Nasdaq. But the bigger structure is quite straightforward. We had a very proper we have a very proper support area, and the market keeps respecting that, and we can easily see where we are. The market did respect that, and yeah, the market did push up very nice. You can see the market acted like it was trying to break, but I don't think no, let's say the market just respected the support area and we saw a bounce back. So where we are, I can say we are very closer to the resistance. Obviously, you don't really have to do anything when you see something like that, unless if maybe the market breaks out, then we can say it's time for us to do what? To look for that buy. But for now, let's relax. We know that we are on this downtrend. We know that we can just wait maybe for another reversal, but the market is now squeezing up. If you check here, the market is creating this wedge, so there is it's time where the market has to break out or maybe break down, break this support area. But we will see what will happen. But we are still on a very nice uptrend. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Whoa. Yeah, we did it here. We were supposed to hold this trade. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. We were supposed to hold this trade for, I think, for a week. I told my student we have to hold this for a week, but hey, the profit was too much, and we just have to get out, because if the market reverses here, we will be just losing unnecessarily. So I said, you know what, guys, let's just close this or secure your profits or log, then we will see what we can do. So another thing is, because we have CPI, because we don't really actually know for now what will actually happen. So if maybe the market tries to reverse, it means we will be losing our profit. So we don't really have to be that greedy. So what do I see here is, yes, you can see that the market is on this uptrend. I like this touch here. The market touched that, and we see a very nice push. And what I like is I did share this also here yesterday. Check our yesterday's video. You will see that I also pointed that. You can see that the market was respecting these areas very nice. So I'm still expecting to see the market flying, obviously. I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. I don't really see any downtrend anytime soon, and I did talk about that Nasdaq is about to fly. Let's hope that is going to continue like that. So again, guys, you have a chance to join our limited special. You can join a yearly special, or 12-month special. You can see here for actually $48, so that everyone can eat, guys. Everyone can eat, but just know that this is limited. So just let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can do that by actually scanning this QR code or just WhatsApping me there. Then we can talk. We can just tell me that you want to be part of the team. So Bitcoin, USDT payments or PayPal, they are available. If you are in Mzansi or local, obviously the banks are also available. So yeah, another thing here is S&P 500. You can see that we also had a very nice structure. I don't know. Let me check if we did take S&P, because I don't know why I missed US30. Oh, I only bought gold, Euro USD, and Nasdaq. So I missed S&P 500 and US30, unfortunately. But I hope we did cover that on Nasdaq. So what's really happening? I think the structure is quite straightforward. You can see that this is the same as what we saw on Nasdaq. We have that structure, so the market just touched our support and pushed up. But another thing is, it's also good, even though I did not really send this, it's also good because sometimes buying the same thing, let's say buying S&P 500, buying US30, buying Nasdaq, that is also it's risky, because if all those pairs goes down, then the risk is too much, you see. So I think maybe for now that is enough. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And if you already here, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe, that like, and also share. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.